Hey, so today I've tasked you with the final section of the chorale writing process. If you've been keeping pace with us by now, you should be on the step. If you have not been keeping pace with us so far, that's okay. Just understand that it is now the 28th, and these are going to be turned in between May 3rd and May 10th. So we have a week window, which is next week, to turn in these projects. I have a week to turn these in. So we should be on this step today. If you are not, that's okay. Meet with me at after school. Meet with me during my office hours, and we will catch you up to this step. All right. By now, you should have filled out the chart and be completely done with your planning section for the chorale. You should be somewhere in a step that looks like this. In order to get full credit for this, you need to have each measure be a different chord. Each measure should be labeled with what chord it is. To do that, click on the note and press Command L, and you can type in the Roman numeral underneath the chord. And each part should take a melody somewhere. It shouldn't just be whole note, whole note, whole note, whole note, whole note. Take a section, make an inventive melody. If it sounds good, keep it. If it sounds a little funky, run it by me and I'll help you get it up to snuff. All right. Those are the requirements for me in order to get in order to get full credit. I will help. Next week I will give you instructions on how to turn this in, or even Friday I'll probably give you guys some instructions. All right. So today, finish this part of the chorale. Then you can come over to the commencement exam work section and write your short reflection on your chorale writing. 2 paragraphs maximum. All right. Okay. Good luck today. I'll be working mostly with the instrumentalists for their NISMA recording.